Hey, what's up guys? If you're here, your QX30 is having this issue with the headlight where the LED is now turned yellow and kind of looks like a turn signal. See, it really doesn't match the passenger side, so today I'm going to show you how to fix that. First, you're going to need to get some pop clip tools, some basic stuff like this, and you'll need some torque bit wrenches. So this is a T25. Start with 5 T25 bolts or screws here on the top. Next, there's 2 corner pop clips on each side. Pop those out, pretty simple. Coming to the bottom of the car, this helps if your wheels turned in. You got one 8mm bolt, one rivet style pop clip, and an additional pop clip in the corner. They'll kind of look like that when you pop all 3 out. And next there is another hidden rivet pop clip kind of right here in the corner holding the bottom piece on. Now in the inside of the fender well, there's 3 rivet pop clips. Go ahead and knock those bad boys out. And 1 hidden Phillips screw right there, just kind of waiting for you. Once all that's out, you can gently pry up on the molding here. Should pop out. And just be gentle pulling it up the whole way. This will kind of allow you to get to the bumper next. So I'm going to put my hand behind here and kind of pop it out. So kind of get my hand in here and it pops right out. And then what you want to do is kind of just follow that line to the top of the hood and pull out, and the entire bumper should get loose enough for you to remove the headlight. Next, there's 2 T25s and 2 10mm you need to pop out on the headlight itself to remove the entire assembly. So one's down there in the corner, 10mm up here in the corner, come down to the bottom here, T25, and the last 10mm is here in the corner. So go ahead and knock all those out, and the headlight will become loose like this. As you see, it's loose and ready to be pulled out, so kind of just pull it forward towards you. And I just placed it like this because I'm not removing the entire bumper for this. So this is, there's 2 wires here you can unplug if you do want to remove the headlight. This is an old headlight. I really don't care if it gets beat up. So I'm going to attack these 5 T20 screws next, which there's 3 holding the main assembly here on, and then 2 here in the corner that kind of just pop this little clip out like that, or the piece that holds the headlight in the corner. Next, you can do the 3 here, and when you remove the module is what fails, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. The module is the reason the headlight's turning yellow. So take out these 2 wires here, which is pretty easy to pop out, and comparing the new module and the old module, you see this one's all burnt and yellow on the LEDs circuit board, and this one's super clean. So that is the main issue, and that's why it's not working. So other pro tip here is this little solenoid or whatever this piece here, like the actual glass, is burnt. So I'm going to cut it out because I tried cleaning it, but I couldn't clean it. So I'm actually just going to etch it out with this blade, clean it with some alcohol, and it looks much better now because I didn't want that shining through, because that burnt yellow piece can maybe block some light or shine through. That's just something I'm doing. You don't have to do it. Put the module back on and start it back up, reverse everything, and basically you're done. So if this is your first time here, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Follow my channel for more Infiniti content, car content, and yeah, stay tuned. Got more stuff coming up. Thanks, guys.